Hey, welcome back to the office once again here at New Traditions Dulcimers. My name is Dan Daniels. This is Dulcimer 869. This is a teardrop. Again, koa back and sides. Beautiful koa with Alaskan Sitka spruce top. Very straight grain, very narrow grain, very tight. A lot of sustain on these instruments. 25-inch VSL from nut to saddle. Grover Stay Tight tuners, a three-piece headstock made of koa as well. Maple fingerboard with a wenge overlay. And this guy sounds a little bit like this. Number 869, New Traditions, 25-inch VSL teardrop, koa, book matched, and Alaska Sitka spruce. There you go. Lord bless you guys.